There's nothing underneath that box. She just wants in it. Oh, Francine, you're so ridiculous. I tried to throw that box away. This one laid in it, ripped it, and now she's been pissed ever since. Oh, he's stuck now. She got the tree pole in there. You better get that off that tree pole, girl. Yeah. You try and catch some kikis or what? These two are in cahoots. You guys are ridiculous and I love it. How many cats does it take to get the box off the bowl? I wonder if I put treats in there, what they would do. I can't have the floor clean because the fucking little shits just muck it up 2 seconds later. Do you have a bowl and a ball under there? Oh my. Oh, magic! Got you! There's nothing in there! Got you, bitch! You're funny, Francine. They have a bag full of toys, but she'd rather fucking chase his box around. And Beefy's still like, where's the treat? She got you! No, don't go away with it. Bring it back. Yeah, come on. Oh, there's the ball. No. They mean. Ah, I'm stuck. Got you. Hell yeah, beach. Oh yeah, there is a ball under there. A trickster. Are you a trickster, Mitz? He's so fat he can't even play. I'm just kidding, Beefy, I love you. Okay, you guys are going away out of my line of sight. Did I wreck it? Did I wreck your fun? It's a freaking Christmas bulb she had in there. I don't even know where she got that. There you go. Play your game. What the hell? Where'd you get that ball? We don't even have a Christmas tree up or nothing. Pretty good girl. You it. Ah, now what you gonna do? I got you. There's no treats in there. What you gonna do, huh? Oh, she's setting up for something.